progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Renowned businessman and BJP leader Sudhir Ghati died on October 22, 2021. He died in Mangaluru at the age of 64. Ghati was the founder of Magnum Intergraphics and is survived by his wife, son, and daughter. Coming from an RSS background, he made a name for himself in the field of advertisement and public relations. He was considered close to former Prime Minister, late A.B. Vajpayee, and other senior BJP leaders, L.K. Advani, M.M. Joshi, and Sushma Swaraj. BJP State President Nalin Kumar Katil and BJP leaders of the coastal Karnataka paid their last respects to Ghate.